In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up AOL email on Android. Let's start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. This is the digital marketplace where you can download a variety of apps, including the AOL app, which we'll be using today. Once you have the Play Store open, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the word AOL. This will help you find the official AOL app quickly. Searching directly ensures you get the correct app, which is vital for security and functionality. After you've entered AOL in the search bar, you'll see a list of results. Look for the official AOL app. It should have AOL's logo, which is a simple, bold design. Once you find it, tap on it to proceed to the app's details page. Next up, you'll want to install the AOL app. Tap the Install button, which is usually green, to begin the download process. The app will be downloaded and installed automatically. This can take a moment depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Installing the app is necessary because it allows seamless access to your AOL email on your Android device. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an option to open the app. Tap on Open to launch the AOL app. This will bring you to the app's home screen, where you can start the sign-in process. From there, tap on the Sign In button. This is the first step to accessing your emails. You'll be prompted to enter your AOL email address. Type it in carefully to avoid any mistakes that could prevent you from signing in. After entering your email address, tap Next. This will take you to the password entry screen. Now enter your password. Make sure to input it accurately. If you've forgotten it, there's usually an option to reset it. Security is crucial here, so ensure your password is strong and memorable. Once your password is in, tap Sign In. This step is essential because it authenticates your identity, allowing you access to your emails. You might see a screen asking for permissions. These permissions allow the app to function properly, such as accessing your contacts or notifications. Tap Allow to grant these permissions. With permissions granted, your AOL mail will be ready for use. You'll now have full access to your inbox, sent mail, and other features of AOL Mail. This setup ensures you can manage your emails efficiently right from your Android device. Having your AOL email on your Android means you can stay connected wherever you are. It's convenient and helps you manage your communications on the go. Remember, the app will keep you logged in unless you choose to log out, offering quick access whenever you need to check your emails. And there you have it. Setting up AOL email on your Android is a straightforward process. Each step is designed to get you connected quickly and securely. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your newfound email accessibility.